Hi, we are going to do addition of time. So in the measurement chapter already you have learned addition. That means you were doing the same addition, but you are writing the units with that. Isn't it so? Here also we are going to do the same addition and the units as it is here, time, hours and minutes, seconds. So those units we are going to write, we are going to add the numbers, same thing we are going to do, but only one thing is different. There in other additions you can write the numbers as many as possible. How you add the numbers you can write. But here you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So our minutes and seconds cannot exceed more than 59. For example, now see here in the clock, the short hand is here and the long hand is here. Now what is the time you say? 2:58 and then 2:59. 2:59. Then when it comes exactly 12, when it reaches exactly 12, what do you say? Do you say 2:60? We don't say 2:60, we say 3 o'clock. As it reaches 60 minutes, we say the next time, next number, next hour. We say the next hour. We don't say 2:60, we say 3 o'clock. 2:07 हो गए हम लोग कभी नहीं बोलते हैं. 2:60 हो गया नहीं बोलते हैं. हम लोग 3 o'clock हो गया बोलते हैं. है कि नहीं? The same thing when you add the numbers, you can write in the minutes place till 59 you can write the sum. But you cannot write more than 59. Even in the seconds place also, you can write till 59. You cannot write more than 59. Have you got it why I am saying? Because when we say the time, we don't say 2:60. We say 3 o'clock. Got it? If it is like this also, we don't say 3:60. 3 hours 60 minutes we don't say. We say 4 o'clock. Isn't it? But till 59, till when the clock is here, we say 3:59. When long hand is here, 3:59. But when it reaches 12, we don't say like that. We say 4 o'clock. Have you got it? So now how we are going to add and see. If it is less than 59, no problem. Just a simple addition, you can just add and write it, that's all. But when it exceeds, when it is more than 59, then the problem comes. So what we supposed to do for that? Okay. So here hours and minutes, 2 units are there. So I am writing here hours and minutes. Okay. So shall we write the number? 6 hours 45 minutes. So 6:45. Finished? 6 hours 45 minutes. Then 8 hours 25 minutes. So I am going to add this. Okay, shall we add? 5 plus 5, 10. So let me add and see first. Then I will write the final answer here. So I am writing down here 10, 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 70. Can I write 70 here? Can I write 70 here? I cannot write because only till 59 we say the minutes. So here I am going to take out 160. एक 60 को उठा के आवर्स में ज्वाइन करने वाली हूँ. कैरी लेके जाते हैं ना, we carry the numbers in addition. So here also I am going to carry. So 70 minus 60. What I am getting? 10. That 10 I will write here. This 60 will go as 1 hour. This 60 will go as 1 hour. यहाँ मुझे आंसर मिला था 70, लेकिन वो 70 को मैंने लिखा नहीं है. That I took 160 from here, added as 1 hour. 60 मिनट्स को निकाल के 1 hour कर दिया मैंने यहाँ पर, और बचा कितना है? 10. तो 10 को यहाँ लिख दिया मैंने. Have you got it? If it is more than 59, we have to subtract 60. Then the balance only we have to write here. Okay. Then this 1 hour we can add with this number. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So this is the answer. Have you got it what I did? Okay. We cannot write, again I am saying, we cannot write more than 59 here. So we have to minus, if it is, we are getting more than 59, we have to minus 60. Okay. Then with the balance we have to write here, that 60 will go here as 1 hour. Okay. Shall we do few more example? Here we have got the next question. 8 hours 34 minutes 28 seconds, and we have to add with this 5 hours 45 minutes 42 seconds. So first we have to write the units. I have written the units. Let me place the number. 8 hours 34 minutes 28 seconds. The second number 5 hours 45 minutes 42 seconds. Okay. First let me add and see whether it is less than 60. Okay. 60 से कम है कि नहीं पहले करके मैं देखूं, फिर उसके बाद मैं करूंगी. ठीक है. पहले करूं तो 8 plus 2 10, 0 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6 plus 7 70 again. So we cannot write. So we have to subtract 70 minus 60 is equal to 10. That 10 we are going to write here. The 60 will come as here 1 minute. Have you got it? So the next, this one also we are going to add and see first. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 4 plus 4 8, 80. Okay, again we are going to subtract 60, and what we are getting? 20. This 20 we will write here. This 60 will go as 1 hour. Okay. Then 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 14. So 14 hour 20 minutes 10 seconds. Have you got? In this way you have to add and see, then you subtract by 60, then you have to write the answers. Have you got it? Do as much as possible, try to do many questions, so you will be sure of this.